We're going with your system for this deal.
But I'm the one who built the program. Why is this happening?
Isn't that the unfinished program Keiichi was working on?
Yeah. My name's Keiichi Sato. I'm an engineer at a software company called Day's System. The one checking the screen with me is Yui, our office assistant. This system doesn't seem to be working very well. If it stays like this, it's probably gonna get scrapped.
What? But it looks like a great system. You're just gonna scrap it?
Well, unless we make it more compatible, it's probably gonna clash with the client's existing systems when we roll it out.
I see. But it looks good to me.
Several days later.
I gotta say, Isamu's new system is absolutely amazing. We're going with your system for this deal.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mizoguchi.
The magic happens when you mix the root system with the delivery tracker.
Huh? But I'm the one who built the program. Why is this happening? Hold on a second, Isamu. Combining those two systems, wasn't that my idea? How do you even know about that? Well, you did say you were gonna scrap it, didn't you? I made use of a system that was destined to remain unused. Made use of? That's a weird way to put it. Well, too late now. It's already being used. Nothing you can do. It's my system now.
Isn't that the unfinished program Keiichi was working on?
Yeah. I was trying to build a system that combines route management, tracking bus, taxi, and truck schedules plus driver logs, with real-time package delivery tracking. I figured it still needed some work, but I guess Isamu went ahead and completed it himself. I hope it's good enough to be released as a final product.
Yeah, me too.
A few weeks later. Well, what do you know? Closed another deal today.
You're on a roll, Isamu.
Guess it's just my natural talent. Ha ha ha.
He acts like it's all his achievement.
Yui, you're frowning again.
Sorry. Still though, everything he built was based on your foundation.
Yeah, but it was an incomplete system, so I'm worried that something might happen. A few days later.
Isamu, we've got a problem.
Nina, what's going on?
We've been flooded with inquiries from the company that just implemented your system.
What kind of inquiries?
Apparently the new system isn't playing well with their existing systems. It's causing errors. Waku Waku Taxi, Kirameki Transport, and Doki Doki Logistics have all requested immediate fixes.
Got it. I'll head over right away. Isamu, that's 3 companies. That's a lot for one person. We can help. Well, yeah. I guess you probably could do something to help, but I'll take care of it myself. But keeping people waiting, so I'm a go now. I hope he's going to be okay. At Waku Waku Taxi.
We originally tried to link the driver dispatch system with our attendance tracking system, but the old attendance system started throwing errors.
I believe it's because my new system was simply too advanced for it, which caused the data link to fail. If you switch to the attendance system we offer, it should work without any restrictions. What would you like me to do?
A new attendance system? That would come with additional cost, wouldn't it?
That's true, but I believe it's better than being unable to use my system at all.
I see. Then could you handle the attendance system update as well?
Of course. I'll get on it right away. Meanwhile, at Kirameki Transport. We hooked up your system to our work phones to track deliveries, but it's not playing nice with our servers. Whenever a bunch of drivers try to update stuff at the same time, the whole thing crashes. Our company also runs a taxi service, and when we tried tracking both deliveries and rides together, the interface got really cluttered. Could you split them into separate systems? Understood. I'll look into it, but the issue Waku Waku Taxi had was nothing crazy. Switching the attendance system helped, but separating a system after it's already been integrated is no easy task. It's not like we built everything from the ground up for this. At this point...
Thank you for having us. I'm Keiichi Sato from Day's System, here on request from Mr. Wakutani.
And I'm Yui, his assistant.
I thought Mr. Wakutani was handling the adjustments.
Well, this system is a bit complex. I was the one who built the core structure, so I'll be the one to make the necessary changes.
I see. In that case, we'll be counting on you.
Hey, Yui, can you get some feedback from the Kirameki transport team? I'd like to take this opportunity to properly tailor the system to their needs.
Understood.
So will it be possible to make the changes? I believe so, but there is something I need to tell you, Mr. Yamaguchi. So actually, this system was released before it was fully completed.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Keiichi, why would you say something like... So I was trying to build this system that could update delivery statuses in real time, no matter how many phones were hooked up, or what server you threw at it. Plus, it would automatically sync up all the package locations and schedules.
What? That was supposed to be the original function? What you're describing is clearly far more advanced than what Mr. Wakutani explained.
That seems to be the case. So from my point of view, this system is still incomplete.
After seeing how you handled that error and talking with Mr. Wakutani, I honestly think your system would work way better for us. Could we formally assign you as the lead developer and have you implement the full version of your system?
Absolutely, I'd be glad to. Yui is currently gathering feedback from your team, so I'd like to create a user-friendly system that meets your needs.
We'd love that. Thank you.
I was the one who landed this contract. How did it come to this? Back at the office, I immediately began adjusting the system.
Keiichi, do you have a moment?
Sure, what's up?
In addition to Kirameki Transport, I hear Doki Doki Transport is also interested in adopting your finalized system.
Yes, that's correct. After Yui did some interviews, we found out that each company has slightly different performance requirements. So we'll need to make some minor tweaks depending on the company, but the core system stays the same.
I see. I know things are quite hectic for you right now, but actually, there's another project I'd like you to take on. We've been receiving a number of requests from clients asking if we can develop a warehouse management system. After hearing about your new system,
maybe once I wrap up tweaking this system,
could you let me handle the warehouse management system?
Isamu, I'm sorry, but the client at Don Warehouse specifically requested Keiichi for the project.
But I'm the one who originally built our in-house warehouse management system, not Keiichi. This is something I'm confident in, so I'd really like to take the lead on this. If they still insist on having Keiichi handle it, then how about this? We each build a system separately, and they can choose whichever one is better.
Well, creating the best system possible for the client is certainly our top priority.
I'm okay with that.
So the client wanted delivery within a month. Let's see how the two systems stack up.
Understood. We'd probably make an even better system if we worked together. Still, if this means the client gets the best possible result, then maybe it's for the best. It's just not working the way I want it to.
You're working hard, I see, Samu.
Mr. Mizoguchi.
I heard the system you released the other day had a few issues. Well, these things happen, but I'm looking forward to seeing what you create this time.
Yes, thank you. Still, we've already got a base warehouse management system. Shouldn't a few quick tweaks do the trick?
Mr. Mizoguchi talks to Isamu but says nothing to Keiichi. Hey Keiichi, here, I saw these outside earlier. Apparently they're really popular cookies.
Thank you. This is exactly what I needed. All this brain work has me craving sugar like crazy.
I thought so. I know you're doing both systems, but seriously? You're not overdoing it, right?
Oh no, I'm totally fine. I'm actually enjoying this. Since you got that feedback from our clients, Kirameki and Doki Doki's requirements were crystal clear, so I knocked out their systems and got them delivered already.
Wait, what? You've already delivered them?
Huh? Yeah.
Wow, you really are amazing, Keiichi. Like, seriously. I've got to work harder too, so I don't fall behind. See you later.
Haha. Talking to Yui always gives me a little boost. Okay, time for one last push.
Hey, Keiichi. Just got off calls with Kirameki and Doki Doki Transport. They're totally loving the new system. Said it's working like a dream and making everything super efficient.
Really? That's great to hear. I've also told them I'll respond right away if any issues come up. So I plan to provide solid aftercare support too.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you.
Seems like Keiichi's system is doing well. I can't lose again.
The next day.
All right, you two, check out the systems. So Yui, what's the verdict?
Personally, I think Keiichi's system is better. Isamu's version is user-friendly, but honestly, it just feels like a tweaked version of what we already have. Keiichi's design, though, it's clearly built around the variety and size of cargo that Don Don Warehouse actually deals with. Way more adaptable and practical.
I agree. Of course, we'll let the client try both, but I'm betting they'll go with Keiichi's.
Thank you.
I can't believe you built something so complex in such a short amount of time.
Don Don Warehouse ended up going with my system, and we actually decided to roll it out to other clients who needed warehouse solutions too. A few weeks later,
Keiichi hooked us up with this awesome maintenance guide, but we're still dealing with random error reports.
I wish I could visit the clients myself, but Kirameki Transport is keeping me crazy busy. Sorry to throw this at you two.
I believe Isamu and Yui are handling it well, but...
Isamu, enough is enough.
Wait, what? All I did was try to help the system out.
Yui, what's wrong?
Isamu was supposed to just fix some errors, but when he got to the client's place, he went ahead and installed a whole new system add-on. In the end, I had to go in and fix everything.
What? We literally agreed not to add random stuff this time, because last rollout was a total disaster.
Yeah, but I thought it'd be more user-friendly that way.
That's meaningless if I have to go back and undo it all.
Isamu, first, you used my old prototype without asking, and now this? You've got to stop doing stuff on your own. You're confusing our clients and making life harder for everyone else.
What? Let's all calm down. Your shouting is echoing down the hallway.
Mr. Mizuguchi.
Yeah, I heard about the whole thing. But honestly, I don't think Isamu was trying to be a jerk or anything. Maybe we should cut him some slack.
This is exactly why Isamu keeps acting like this. Because higher-ups like you act this way and say crap like that. Do you realize how much trouble he's caused for the other staff and our clients?
Keiichi, please calm down.
I am calm. I'm just done tolerating your favoritism and Isamu's recklessness.
Exactly. We can't just overlook this anymore, not when it's affecting our clients. Why do you keep protecting him?
I just don't see what he's done that's so wrong.
Fine then. In that case, I'm resigning from this company.
Me too.
So am I.
What are you all saying? You guys are basically the whole systems department. If you all quit, then...
This isn't just something we decided on a whim. We've been mulling it over ever since you started giving Isamu all the praise, regardless of what happened.
We've actually been planning to start a new systems company together.
We're going with Nina.
Wait, what? But what about keeping our current stuff running?
That's up to the clients to decide. If they keep the contract going, then whoever stays here will need to handle it.
Wait, you're leaving me to deal with all this on my own?
You should be able to build whatever systems you want now. Isn't that what you were after?
No way.
After that, many of our former clients switched their contracts to our new company. Day's system lost most of its engineers and clients, and was forced to shut down.
How did this happen?
Man, if I'd just worked with them instead of trying to beat them. Meanwhile, Yui, I honestly don't know what I'd do without you. You supported me back then, and even now. Thank you.
I just did what I wanted to do. Besides, seeing how passionately you work always lifts my spirits.
I feel the same. You always give me energy too.
Then I guess it goes both ways.
So, I kinda want you around all the time. What do you say?
It would be my pleasure.
Enjoyed the video?
And smash that like button and subscribe.